Hey guys, it's Blake Holtbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris 230 Sunliner. Lots of upgrades on this, and I'm excited to check them out with you guys. So we'll start way up here in the bow. You can see this is an extremely spacious bow for a 23-foot boat, whether it's a pontoon, tritoon or not. Right, we got tons of space. You know, for reference, I am about 6'3", so I can stretch out nice over here, and that lounger over on the starboard side is even longer than this one here. And underneath each of these seats is going to be storage with cup holders and plug-ins on either side of the bow for all of your entertainment and storage needs. One of the major upgrades on this Sunliner is going to be this in-floor storage here. So this pops right up and it drops down into your center tune there and takes full advantage of that space. Doesn't let that go wasted. Got some dedicated cover storage here, so your cover will fold up real nice and fit right on there and take up no other space while you're out on the water and you've got the cover on board. We'll take a look at our cockpit real quick. Once again, another upgrade on this Sunliner is the dual captain's chairs here. So you got some locks down on the bottom, you pop those up. You can do a full swivel with adjustable armrest and the back. So pretty cool layout up here, great for, you know, if you're doing a two-person cruise on this boat. Works super cool, everyone's comfortable. Up here at the helm, you can see you got the Simrad there. And another nice upgrade on here is that JL audio stereo system. So a little bit step up from the Clarion, super high quality audio with that Aqua Amp cell phone mount too. So that will wirelessly charge while it holds your phone there in place. Take a look at the back here. We got this folding lounger here so you can face forward, aft, or if you give it a pop up, you can drop it all the way flat down there like that. Underneath this lounger, it is hiding a huge storage compartment that will connect all the way to that cushion in the back, so you can store just about anything you need to have on board in that compartment there. We've got our bimini booted up, but if this was unfolded, it would cover the whole cockpit in shade all the way to about right in front of the helm, so you have a nice cool spot to sit on a hot day when you're out on the water enjoying yourself. Quick look at the transom. You can see way back here, you got a nice big Mercury 200, so 200 horsepower on 23 feet of boat. That's a lot of power. You're going to be able to get up and go, take full advantage of this tow bar with a tuber or skier, have some fun out on the water there. All the way over here on the port side, you do have a built-in cooler seat, so that's going to be fully insulated with a drain there. That way you don't have to take up storage space on the boat with a cooler. We've also got your fender safety rails. So these have got a safety chain to clip to your tow bar, as well as dedicated storage for your fenders here. So pretty cool to have on board there, and makes it legal for you to ride back here while the boat's underway, which is an awesome feature. And then highlighting one of Harris's new for 2025 add-ons is going to be the lily pad step ladder. So that is a more convenient ladder that is kind of set up like a staircase rather than a telescoping ladder. So that drops down in the water, and then once you put weight on it, it kind of unfolds into a staircase, and then you have this rope to pull it back in once you're bringing it back into the water. So neat little feature on this Sunliner here for 2025. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake.